Is email social media decentralized and aims at being simple and powerful? So I just edited this one draft. I can look at the preview. It supports Markdown, which is quite nice. And you see the little floppy disk next to the subject line, ElMail design goals and principles. So I press save now, and it's actually saved. The reload does not yet open the thread again automatically. I can edit the search. So I might look at demo, and I can see these are my notes for the search. Where you can obviously search for tags and words, but you can also search for persons. That's actually already working, so we might do some 2 : it needs to be a lowercase 2 : for example, the example that I always use is David Bremner. Let's see how this looks on the mobile. So here you can now choose David Bremner. I cannot. I can choose to or from David Bremner. Oh yeah, it's working. It looks a little bit like the input box is missing, or something is missing here. Something is definitely missing. Oh my goodness. I did search for some rather silly thing, I think. I entered 2. Let me just reload and search for from. Bremner. Yeah. This looks much nicer. I think the issue was something with it still has some weird behavior, the selection of persons, but you can see avatars are being used. So this is actually my own avatar. Up here it looks nice, so you can look at the email addresses that are connected to it. But of course we want, David Bremner gone, because he didn't write anything regarding ElMail yet. Let's see if that changes. David Bremner, your work is just great, and the work of all people contributing to Not Much is just wonderful. I'm using your packages for a long time, so maybe I will just have another look at the Not Much mailing list, which this is actually built upon. So let's look for the Not Much, of course, lowercase letters, Not Much tag. So this is the Not Much mailing list. and you can see how you have a nice view of messages in the ElMail client to not much. So this is just all the participants of the name not much mailing lists. It's wonderful. How many messages? 24,304. I think these are not all, so thank you all very, very, very much. I hope this gets off the ground and gets a little bit nicer even than it is today, but I think I have some really nice ideas about using the functional programming language Elm in order to display trees of queries or messages and decentralize social media by making a user interface ready for mobile to not much decentrally. Bye bye, all the best. See you, Gregor.